Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we're exploring Sharps Cave, West Virginia. This cave had over 4 miles of passageway, a really cool clay sculpture room, and a breathtaking waterfall at the end. I was also joined today by another YouTuber. Link to the channel's in the description. And also, if you like this content, please do like and subscribe for more adventures. Without further ado, grab your headlamps and let's go explore.
Stonehenge.
That looks like Luke Skywalker, kind of.
You see
The
that?
pickup truck.
This is the sculpture room.
Hollywood with a snail.
There's something purple back there too. Is that
There's a pyramid, a Buddha, a moon figurines down here, a cross.
Look at the faces. The nose ring.
I think that's a giant book.
period flag? Oh, 2012.
Hey, here's MTV. Look how cool that is.
420. What's that mean?
I made that look very hard.
All right,
Down.
I'm down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
we got our hand mine.
It's slippery at the
It's
bottom.
this right here.
Headed to the stream passage below.
It's not gonna be like the 8-foot.
But you can come to the right and this happens.
My bad, guys. I'm a.
This is where you definitely want to grab the thing. Just but I went the whole way that way. You can just come. I'm not using the hand line over here. Just come over this way. You don't even have to go down that whole thing.
Oh, I kind of want to peek at the creek. Are you guys going right?
No, I think we're going left. The water's going that way.
Off route.
That's Marshmallow. I just call it go back on.
Yeah.
Whoa, I can hear the waterfall rumbling.